Good afternoon. This is the presentation for a sale consultant of Zenith Stay Bright. We do. You know that your home is in show home agreement. Actually, what does it mean? The show home agreement. Explain now about the show home. We don't do any TV or paper advertisement. The reason is this: it's too expensive for us. For us, actually, it's for our customer. We don't want to give extra costs to our customers. A TV advertisement for 30 seconds is £150,000, and for a full page paper, the advertisement is £50,000, and the advertisement for the making the advertisement costs £1,000,000. Who pays that? Not the company don't pay that. Companies don't pay that. The customers pay that. For example, if you buy a TV from this Sony make, you pay £3,000, but around £300 is for the costs that you pay for a commercial. And the same happens to our business actually. When we sell the window for example £3,000, you have to pay. Customers must pay some £100 for commercial, because we are very good in commercial. We see our name everywhere, but you don't see because we don't pay. The money that we want to pay for commercial, part of that money we pay to our customers as refund, because they take part in show home presentation. Show home presentation works like this. We make a photograph before and after installation of our door and windows. We make photos with people, and we put in magazine, or at the same time we put our sign, Zenith Stay Bright sign on the we hung that in front of the property where we installed window and door. And for 4 weeks. And when people walk along, then they see the name of Zenith Stay Bright. They knew that because they walk here around. They knew how it was before and how it's now. And this is our commercial. Or we give we've got a check refund to people who recommend us to their colleagues, their family member. Then you see that we try to keep the cost as low as possible. In contrast with other companies which commercial is important for them. And if retail prices, for example, for a window is 300, 4,000, I don't know, so much money, then we subsidize the costs of a window or door from 25 to 40%. And if you agree now, if you agree with me now, if this later, no, the price is retail price. Like many shops, if you go to weekend, for example, Sunday, they have a special price. If you go to on the one day after that, there is you have to buy the on the original or retail price. There is no discount for this. The same works now with us. If you by now, if you agree to be a Shah Home member and you sign the Shah Home account, you get a discount from 25 to 40% because you are member of the Shah Home account.